Yeah, good evening everyone. Good evening everyone. Welcome to the foundation class of programming and data structure, third class. Foundations and foundation class of programming and data structure, third class. Two classes I already done. The purpose of these classes is please give right. So providing sample problems, how the questions will come in the exam, what kind of topics are there, just right, covering little bit. So just I want to give, it's almost like a trailer kind of thing, because right, so within few more days programming and data structure going to start. Within few more days programming and data structure going to start. Just I want to give rough idea how programming and data structure look like, what right, how the questions will be, right, how the questions will come in GATE examination. So how to approach them, what are the topics we are going to cover, just giving a rough idea, right. Those people who are serious about GATE examination, my sincere suggestion is right, within 2 or 3 days programming and data structure going to start. Don't miss it. So anyhow, it is a foundation class of programming and data structure, right. Let's go and see one time. And one more thing is I want to bring you to your notice. See everyone now, maybe mostly 30 March, mostly 30 March or 1st April, mostly 30 March or 1st April, programming and DS going to start. Programming and DS will start. 30 March or 1st April, programming and DS going to start. So my suggestion is please don't miss it. Last year GATE examination 10 marks came from programming and DS. 10 marks came from programming and DS. That all are directly copy from notes. Trust me, all are directly copy from notes. Last 2022 GATE examination from programming and data structure 10 marks came. All are directly copy from notes. And one more, that is the right, programming and DS story, directly copy. And one more thing is TOC subject, TOC as it is copy, almost like 10 marks, as it is copy from notes. Compiler design, directly copy. And algorithms, some came directly, 1 or 2 questions came indirectly. In algorithm subject, right, so most probably 80% questions came directly, right, 20% questions came indirectly. That is also from notes only, but indirectly came. But programming DS direct, TOC direct from notes. Just if you read notes, more than enough. Compiler design directly from notes. Algorithm 80% directly came, 20% indirectly came. So one thing is true, from the notes only. So my suggestion is if anyone preparing seriously for GATE examination, right, so just listen one time all my subjects, these all subjects, one time you listen, it's enough. Just listen one time, because I have 13 years of teaching experience I have. And one more thing is, right, I passed out from IIT Bombay in computer science. Department. I have lot of experience in all these subjects. I passed out from IIT Bombay, right. So my suggestion is one time you listen, definitely you will get lot of advantage. Now let's go to how the GATE exam questions look like, because some people want to prepare for GATE examination. Just I want to give a rough diagram how the GATE problems look like. See, this the one of the GATE problem, how it look like. Check once. The maximum number of nodes in a binary search tree of height h, which have same in order and pre-order will be. right? The maximum number of nodes in a binary search tree of height h which have same in order and pre-order will be. Assume height is going to be 2018 and root is at height 0. This is the given problem. How you are going to proceed? How you are going to proceed? So I think if you observe clearly, right, he is talking something about binary search tree and the height h. I think in this problem if you observe clearly, you should know what is the meaning of binary search tree, you should know what is the meaning of height also, and you should know what is the meaning of in order also, what is the meaning of pre-order also, you should know. All the technical words are covered. And one more is asking, what is the maximum number of nodes? Maximum number of nodes in a binary search tree of height h which have same in order and pre-order will be. Same in order and pre-order will be. Right? So I think if you see the problem again you see. If you see the problem again properly, BST, what is the meaning BST you should know. What is the meaning of BST you should know. What is the meaning of height you should know. What is the meaning of in order you should know. What is the meaning of pre-order you should know. I think all the basic terms he covered. All the basic terms he covered. And one more is saying that assume that h is equal to 2018 and root is there at the height 0. Root is there at the height 0. That is the thing what he mentioned. Right? Let's see this one. See everyone now. See everyone. 10. Careful 10. Careful everyone. 10. This is 5. This is 20. This is 15. This is 25. This is BST. This is BST. 10, 5, right side is 20, 20 left side is 15, 20 right side is 25. So if you see this particular tree, it's a binary tree, it's fine. It is a binary tree, it's fine. And one more, it is a BST. Why BST? Comparing root data, left should be smaller. Yes. Comparing root data, right will be greater. See, if 10 is the root, left will be smaller. Yes. Next one, right will be whoever there greater. See, all are greater. Whoever there on the right hand side all greater. But one thing, it should happen everywhere. Here also same. Root. Left will be smaller. Right will be greater. See, everywhere comparing root left smaller, comparing root right greater, then it is known as BST. It is a BST. Right? It is a BST. And one more in this BST, listen, in this BST, I think we should know few things. What is that one? In order and pre-order. In order and pre-order, we should know that. What is the in order for this? Because of it, the BST in order is ascending order. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So remember everyone, BST in order, which is going to be ascending order. BST in order, which is going to be ascending order. BST in order, ascending order. So I think it is a BST in order is going to be ascending order. And one more thing is pre-order. Pre-order also is asking. Let me write the pre-order. Pre-order, root first, afterwards left, afterwards right. So root left, right. Root completed, left completed, come to right. Here also same story. Root left, right. What is the answer? 20, 15 and 25. Remember, it is the in order. Remember, it is the pre-order. So I think if you observe clearly, what he is saying, the maximum number of nodes in a binary search tree of height h which have same in order and pre-order. See, it is a BST, but in order is different, pre-order is different. Careful. But I want a binary search tree where in order and pre-order should be same. This is the BST where in order, pre-order not same. Different, because both are different order, different is same. For some trees maybe it is equal, but this tree, these two are not equal. For the given tree, these two are not equal. So I think do you believe or not, is testing so many things from you from this problem. So GATE exam is normally basics only. Trust me. They will ask you only basics. See, I think 5 or 6 basics are there here. They don't give GATE question which contain 10 lines. They don't give any GATE problem which contain 10 lines, which contain 1 page, which contain half page. They don't give that. GATE problems normally contain right? Most probably 2 to 4 lines, sometimes 1 line only. Gate problems normally contain sometimes 1 line, sometimes 2 line, mostly maximum 5 lines. Mostly gate exam problems are maximum 5 lines. They don't give very complicated also. They will give very easily, but small twist will be there, careful. What is asking here? Find, can you show one binary search tree where in order and pre-order both will be same? To this BST, in order and pre-order are different. Do you know any BST where pre-order, in order is same? I will try this. Lack of space, I am eliminating this. Let me write. I want one BST where in order and pre-order will be same. So I will try this. See everyone now. It is a 10. Careful, it is a 10. It is the, I think 8. It is 5. Let's check here. 10, 8, 5. Can you help me now? To this particular one, what will be the pre-order? 10, 8, 5. Pre-order 10, 8, 5. What about in order? In order means everyone know left, root, right. In order means left, root, right. So can I print root? No, after left only. So I think pre-order will print this. In order will print this. I think both are not equal. This is also not. I want one BST where pre-order and in order will be same. I think this may be 10, 20, 30. You check now. What is the pre-order? 10, 20, 30. What is the in order? 10, 20, 30. 10, 20, 30. Please check. 10, 20, 30. Pre-order also 10, 20, 30. Right? In order also 10, 20, 30. Please check. Right? I think this is the, I think in my opinion, the tree which will give pre-order in order same is BST where pre-order in order will be same is, right? I think right squared tree, going right hand side always. And he is asking maximum number of nodes of height h will be, if you want you can check. This tree contains 3 levels. 3 levels means height is 2. 3 levels means height is 2. And one more thing, what is saying? Height h, right? Height h is equal to 2018. Height h is 2018 means number of levels are 2019. 2019 nodes are there, right? That is also right squared tree. 2018 height. So 2019 levels. And what is saying? The maximum number of nodes in a binary search tree of height h, where h is going to be 2018. I think in my opinion, answer is 2019. Answer is 2019. These are the maximum number of nodes. Maximum number of nodes in the height h BST where in order and pre-order will be same. This is the answer for this. It's a very nice problem. You should know what is the, if anyone is not getting, trust me, so many keywords required. The purpose of this one is not getting everything. The purpose of this one is just I want to introduce the keywords. What is BST? What is pre-order? What is in order? And one more thing is what is height? What is the maximum? Right, like that. Right? So these all the things very clearly we will see, right, in the coming course. Right? So within I think 30 of this month or 1st of April, right, this course going to start. Like my sincere suggestion, don't miss anyone. If anyone is not getting, it is not possible. If you have already background, if you know already some story about this, then you will get. Otherwise you don't get. But in the classroom you will get more clarity. The reason is this, right, this particular tree BST we will study 3 or 4 classes. In 3 or 4 classes we will study BST. Now in one problem only I have to cover everything, which may not be possible also. And one more thing, programming and data structure, which is going to start in couple of days. So what I want to say is 50 lectures will be there. Programming 25 lectures, data structure 25 lecture, totally 50 lectures. I am covering all those 50 lecture in 5 classes only here. So already 2 classes I done, few basics I covered. Now in this particular one, I will cover few more basics. In further classes I will cover few more. So in YouTube I want to give only 5 lectures of 50 lectures. 50 lectures which is going to be happened from the from maybe March 30 or April 1st onwards, whatever going to happen. Couple of lectures I want to show to you. Right, how the question paper, how the questions will look like, gate problem. Right, means mostly basics only. I think conceptual basics. Right, they will ask one nice logic inside. What are the logic here? What are the logic here? You cannot draw the tree whatever way you want. Logic here is right square tree, always going right hand side. Always going right hand side. Right square tree is coming. So if anyone is there here plus member, if anyone is there here plus member, no need to attend this, because these will come in for incoming classes. In plus course coming classes they will be there. Someone is saying that how to earn 5 lakh per month. Sir, tell the path. Right, so that is the thing what Nandini is asking. What Nandini is asking is how to earn 5 lakhs per month. Yeah, join in Unacademy. As the educator, join in Unacademy. Right? Join in Unacademy. Unacademy is the great institute. Unacademy is the great institute. Right? So all the top educators are there. They are giving quality education. All are rankers. All are got rank from somewhere. Lot of experience. You also get go to IIT, get the good gate rank, go to IIT, get the lot of knowledge and come to Unacademy. Mostly they will give the chance to you. I think if you want to earn 5 lakh per month, in my suggestion, maybe I think Unacademy is the one. Next one, I think someone is asking, where is RBR sir? Right, if you know, please let me know. Right, Hanan, if you know, please let me know. Fine. That is the reason I am saying, if you know, please let me know. How I know? I belongs to management. I am a teacher, man. I am a teacher. What can I do? I know only teaching. Right? Fine. That's okay. Hanan, you cannot come to the class. You cannot ask like this. You can ask the management. They will give the correct answer. Fine. Perfect. Let's go to next one. In this problem, I want to say few basics. Right? I hope I done. Height is going to be, some people are asking, sir, what is the height? Height is nothing but number of levels find, right? -1 you will get height. Sir, what is the in order? In order means, right, left subtree, root right subtree. What is the pre-order? Root left right. Next one. What is the binary search tree? Left smaller, right greater. So these are the some basics which are needed for this problem. Now let's go to right, few more basics of Unacademy. So if anyone want to join Unacademy, some people are asking, sir, how to join Unacademy? What are the advantages? Let me say few minutes. Those people who want to prepare for GATE 2023 or 24, right? So if you want material, those people who are preparing for GATE 2023 or 24, if you want to prepare for GATE 2023 or 24, if you want notes, Unacademy providing the notes. Just scan this QR code. Unacademy is providing the notes. Use the referral code ReddySir. Scan this QR code. Use the referral code ReddySir. Right? You are going to access the notes. Next one. This notes is prepared by the Unacademy top educators. Mostly error free. Mostly error free. Mostly no errors. 1 or 2 things are there. You can inform to us. We will rectify. Next one. See this one. I think this is the best slide. I like this slide a lot. This is the best slide. I like this slide a lot. So this is right. This is my student Abhinav. This is my student Gulshan. Abhinav and Gulshan. These two are my students. 2022 GATE exam. 2022 gate examination. These two are my students. Abhinav first ranker and Gulshan fourth ranker. They both studied 5 subjects from me. They both studied 5 subjects from me. Those are algorithm, TOC, compiler design, data structures, programming. First ranker and fourth ranker, these two people studied, right, these 5 subjects from me. Right, I still remember the doubts, whatever they asked. I still remember. Abhinav and me spoken approximately 70 times. Total year 70 times we spoken about doubts. Lot of discussion in the classes. Abhinav used to ask some doubts which are going to be very tough. There is a lot of discussion is happened. I learned many things from the Abhinav. I learned many things from the Gulshan. They also learn. It is a collective efforts. It is a collective achievement, you can say. I really enjoyed a lot. 2022 gate examination. In 2022 gate examination from CSC branch, top 100 if you see, 50 ranks are there. Top 100, 50 ranks are there. Top 150 ranks are there. Right, first ranker, fourth ranker, 8th rank we got. Top 10 we got. First rank, third rank also, first rank, third rank, fourth rank, 8th rank we got. First rank, third rank, fourth rank, 8th rank we got. Approximately 4 or 5 ranks in the top 10 only. Top 150 ranks we got. Trust me, in 2023, Unacademy going to get out of top 100, I am thinking 80 ranks may come. When I see this first rank, when I see Abhinav, I used to remember all my memories, whatever happened, all those memories are going to be, I am going to remember. So these two people studied 5 subjects from me. I felt so good. When they got the rank, they called me and they informed. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for teaching so well. Because of you, in all these 5 subjects, gate exam contained 40 marks. All 40 marks we got, sir, because of you. I felt so good. Out of these 5 subjects, 40 marks came. 40 marks as it is they got. Almost they got. Most of my students got 40 out of 40. Few students got 35. I can easily say everyone got minimum 35 marks. My sincere suggestion, if you are trying for 2023 gate exam or 24, without thinking anything, blindly join Unacademy. I'm very sure, right? Unacademy will do the justification if you join. Right, let's go to next one. Unacademy is providing, right, test series also. Unacademy providing test series also. Unacademy providing test series also. Unacademy is providing. So those people who want to join in the test series, you can join using the referral code REDDYSIR. Next one, one more very important thing. This slide is very important. The reason is from the 1st April. From the 1st April, price hike is there. Right? If you want to join plus for 12 months, you have to pay 32,000 plus. Right? So after April, right? So after April 1st, if you want to join, 35,000 plus you have to pay. If in the iconic 12 months, as of now, you have to pay 56,000 plus. Right? So if you join after 1st April, right? From the 1st April onwards, if you join, it is going to be 62,000 plus. So my suggestion, join today. Without delaying, join today. Use code REDDYSIR to get 10% instant discount. If you join after, right, from 1st April onwards, prices are increasing. From there onwards, if you join, definitely you are losing side. If you are seriously want to prepare for gate examination 23 or 24, my suggestion, join today. Don't delay. Join today. Join today. See, listen everyone now. The purpose of lectures in the YouTube, what we are giving, just to show sample only. We cannot provide all the lectures to you directly. Right? No need to, in my suggestion, don't waste that much time in the YouTube here and there. If you really want to get nice rank, join the plus course or iconic and crack it. Join the plus course or iconic and crack it. If you keep on roaming here and there, you don't get any advantage. Trust me, you don't get any advantage. So April 1st onwards, prices are going to be increased. My sincere suggestion, join today. If you delay, your rank also will delay. Careful. Next one, and one more thing. See, 30 March onwards, one batch is starting. Resilience batch. 30 onwards, one batch is starting. Resilience batch. So in that batch, I am teaching 5 subjects. Algorithm, TOC, compiler design, data structures and programming. Resilience batch is going to start from the 30 March onwards. 30 March onwards, resilience batch starting. In that batch also I am teaching 5 subjects, don't worry. Right, now go to the next one. You can go for iconic or plus. If you go for iconic, these many advantages. My sincere suggestion, if possible, join iconic. If possible, join iconic, because you will get so many advantages. Comparing plus people, iconic people will get lot of advantage. Go for iconic. Yeah, let's come to the one more sample problem. Let's go to the one more sample problem. Can you see that? Can you see the question on the screen? One more sample problem. Breadth first search is started on a binary tree beginning from the root. There is a vertex T at a distance 4 from the root. There is a vertex T at a distance 4 from the root. If T is the nth vertex in the BFS traversal, then the maximum possible value of n is, I think this problem is something related to BFS, DFS. There is a topic called BFS, DFS, which is the graph traversal. There is a topic called BFS and DFS of graph traversal, right? So this question belongs to BFS. He is asking something related to BFS. So mostly will ask basics only. Do you clearly know BFS or not? And interesting thing is, he applied BFS normally. BFS, DFS will be applied on the graph, but he applied on the binary tree. Normally BFS, DFS is graph traversal. It will be applied on the graph, but he applied on the binary tree, starting from the root. And one more thing is, BFS, DFS you can start that in the graph from anywhere you can start, but he said that binary tree where you have to start BFS from the root. There is a vertex T at a distance 4 from the root. If T is the nth vertex in the BFS traversal, then the maximum possible value of n is. Yeah. So I think that is the question what he is asking. Basics only. BFS is applied on binary tree. There is a vertex T at a distance 4 from the root. Distance means number of edges, not number of levels. Right? There is a vertex T at a distance 4 from the root. If T is the nth vertex in the BFS traversal, then the maximum possible value of n is. Right? That is the given problem. If anyone knows, can you try a little bit about this problem? Yeah, someone is saying how much money we have to pay. So Nishu, you can write Unacademy combat. You can get scholarship. You can write Unacademy combat, which will happen every Sunday at 11 a.m. it will happen. You can write Unacademy combat, get the maximum discount. But it will be little time consuming process. until next Sunday you have to wait. After that process is over, they will take one more week. It will be almost like 20 days. 20 more days it will take. So if you felt time is more valuable than money and all, my suggestion, join as soon as possible. If you delay, you are the loser. Trust me. If you delay, you are the loser. See, you remember everyone remember, your work will give the result. Your work will give the result. Teachers can help a little bit. Teachers can help a little bit only. 90% should be done by yourself. 90% done by yourself only. Careful. 90% done by yourself only. Rank will come because of you only, not because of someone else. 90% you should do, right? Teachers can help 10%. They will guide you. Yeah, so what is the answer for this? Let's see once. Listen, let's see once what is the BFS story. Listen, let's see once. Careful, let's see once. It is the BFS. Everyone listen. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. It is a binary tree. And it is a binary tree. Listen, it is a binary tree. It is a binary tree. Everyone listen. This is the path length 2. This is the path length 2. This is the path length 2. From the root you see, this is the path length 2 because 2 edges are there. It is a binary tree. It is a root. It is a binary tree. It is a root. So some people are asking, what is the BFT for this? Start from the A. What is the BFT? First print A. Next one, root followed by their 2 children. What is the meaning of BFS? First to print root followed by their 2 children, B, C. Right? Then A completed. A followed by their 2 children. In the 2 children, first child is B. B followed by their 2 children. What is the answer? D, E. Right? Next one, C followed by their 2 children. What is the answer? F, G. F, G, like that. Root followed by their 2 children in that first person, B. B followed by their 2 children in that first person. Like that, continue until all elements are over. All are over. It is a BFT. It is a BFT. What is saying? If there is a vertex T at a distance 4 from the root. Now can you help me now? You only say G is there in the tree. What is the distance? G is there in the tree at a distance 2. If there is a vertex T at a distance 4 from the root, here G is a one of the vertex which is there a distance 2 from the root. If T is the nth vertex printed, can you help me now? G is the nth vertex printed in the BFT. What is the maximum possible value of n? What is the answer for this problem? Maximum possible is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think 7. Right? I think if my guess is correct, if I expand few more levels, I think 2 more levels you expand. Then height 4 will come. 2 more levels you expand. Then height 4 will come. And one more thing I want to ask you. If 2 levels are there, right? 2 levels are there. Total nodes how many? 2 levels are there. I think can help here 2 height is there, levels are 3. In this diagram if you observe, 2 height is there but levels 3. So remember height 2 means levels 2. The number of nodes present here is going to be 2 cube minus 1, 7. In the similar way, right? Height is 3 means levels 4, 2 power 4 minus 1, which is going to be 15. Next one, height 4 means levels 5, 2 power 5 minus 1. Height 4 means levels 5, 2 power 5 minus 1 nodes are there. 2 power 5, 32 minus 1, 31. Maximum value is 31. I think this is the answer. There is a G in the BF, right? In the DFS, right? See this one. There is a G. What is it? There is a G at a distance 4 from the root. There is a G, right, at distance 2 from the root A. Right? And one more, that is printed in the BFS traversal nth place, where n value here 7. Why that 7? Total node, see, total node 7. right? If you increase one more level, so height 2 means levels 3, 2 cube minus 1, 7. Next one, right? Height is 3 means levels 4, 2 power 4 minus 1, 15. Height is 4 means levels 5, 2 power 5 minus 1, 31. So answer is 31. That is the maximum. Suppose if they ask you minimum, right? Height 2, but minimum number of minimum n value. I think G may be here. If minimum, G will be here. If minimum, G will be there. Maximum, G will be here. So what is the minimum? Minimum is this one. What is the answer? I think supposition that height 2. What is the minimum n value? What is the answer? Height 1 find out. What is the answer? Height 1 means levels 2. 2 square minus 1. What is the answer? 2 square 4 minus 1 is going to be 3. Right? I think plus 1 you do. Plus 1. Which is going to be 4. Fourth place. In the similar way, height 4. First complete height 3. Means levels 4. 2 power 4 minus 1. I think 15. Plus 1 you do. Plus 1 you do. 16. Answer is 16. Right? If at all minimum, I think 16. If at all minimum 16, if at all maximum 31. It's a nice problem. I want to say to you, basics only people will ask. Basics only people will ask. Basics only people will ask. If you really trying, if you really want to get the nice rank, my suggestion, join in Unacademy, do your best. See, after joining, do your best. Right? See this one. One thing is to, if you take admission in Unacademy, right, it doesn't mean that you will get rank. If you don't take, surely you don't get. If you don't take, surely you don't get, because you don't know which path you have to follow. You don't know what topics you have to study, what topics you have to leave. You don't know mostly. Right? Unacademy educators knows because they also written the GATE exam. They also struggled. They will give clear path to you. If they don't try it, they may not help you. They written already GATE exam. They know all the shortcuts. They know every path where you have to go. They will try, they will level best to help you. My suggestion is, if you really determined, right, don't think that much about the cost. Please join and do great work. After joining, please do great work. After joining, please do great work. That is my suggestion to you. That is my suggestion to you. That is my suggestion to you. Suppose if you have a money problem, write Unacademy Combat, which is a scholarship test. Every Sunday 11 a.m. it will happen. Get the best rank in that. Get the best rank in the Unacademy Combat. So get the maximum discount and join. And my suggestion is, join as soon as possible. If you delay, you know very well. If you delay, what is the problem, you know. See this one. GATE exam contains 13 subjects. 13 subjects are there. GATE exam contains 13 subjects. But you have only 10 months. You have only 10 months. 13 subjects, 10 months. If you don't take decisions as of now, if you don't take decision immediately, you are the losing side. See, months are keep on going. Months are keep on going. Previously 13 months are there. Now it became 12 months. It became 11 months. Now only 10 months. If you postpone, you don't get. See, 13 subjects means every month at least one subject. One subject required 1 month. If you delay now, you are losing side. If you delay now, you are losing side. Please take care. Those people who will delay, you are the losing side. Use the referral code REDDYSIR to get the 10% instant discount. Use the referral code REDDYSIR to get the 10% instant discount. So we are giving sample problems only. Don't try. Some people are asking, sir, if I try YouTube lectures, can I get what you get? We are giving only sample problems. In the YouTube, we are giving only sample problems. How the questions look like? How the questions look like? We are giving, see, other institutes are not giving anything. Other institutes are not giving anything. Unacademy is student friendly. Unacademy is student friendly. Every Sunday, 11 a.m. there is Unacademy Combat. If you have subject, you can write the exam, get the maximum discount. Who is giving that kind of facility? And lot of content also Unacademy provide freely. But trust me, right? Trust me, right? By studying YouTube, getting the rank is very difficult, because in the YouTube, lot of repetition is there. Lot of repetition will be there in the YouTube, and most of the things are just sample things. Just sample things are there. There is no proper way it is not designed. In the YouTube we are keep on giving so many lectures, lot of repetition like this. So if you join the plus or iconic, right, subject wise neatly questions are there, subject wise neat way, right, lectures will be there. My suggestion, please go for the right subscription. No sir, we don't want to go, that is also okay, right? Try your level best, whatever you do, try your level best. Come here now, consider a hash table with 100 slots. Shivani is asking, sir, can I get all your notes? Can I get all your notes? Shivani, you will find out my notes many places. Most probably whatever algo, right, whatever notes you see, algo, TOC, compiler design, data structure, programming, whatever notes mostly you will see, that is my notes only. But the problem is until unless you will listen my lectures, you mostly don't get. Suppose assume that you study yourself my notes, assume you study, it will take assume that 6 months. If you study directly from me, maybe 3 months, maybe 2 months, something like that. But anyhow, you can find out in the internet my notes, many places it will be there, So can you check what is the answer of this problem? Good evening everyone. So try, what is the answer of this? Consider a hash table with 100 slots. Collisions are resolved. See, one of my student I seen, his name is Ash, right? He got 19th rank in third year BTech. In third year BTech itself he got 19th rank. I hope he will get first rank next year. See, this is called planning. This is called planning. You are not getting. There is one person, he got 19th rank. In third year itself he is taking the coaching. He joined in Unacademy third year. His name is Ash. Third year BTech he is studying. Right, he got 19th rank. He took the plus subscription. He done his level best. He got the 19th rank, right? He took the plus subscription. He done his best. So he got the 19th rank. Most probably next year, this time, he will be there with first rank. Trust me. Right, fine. Let's see this. Let's see what the answer. Consider a hash table with 100 slots. Collisions are resolved using chaining. Assume simple uniform hashing. What is the probability that the first 3 slots are unfilled after the first 3 insertion? And one more thing is assume simple uniform hashing. Remember, simple uniform hashing means, right? You just Google it out, you will get it. Simple uniform hashing is nothing but, right, if I take a element, if I apply hash function, it can go anywhere. Simple uniform hash function means normal hash function. There is no condition, means what does it mean? No restrictions. Simple uniform hashing means no restriction, it can go anywhere. Simple uniform hashing, another name is equal probability. If I take a element, it can go to any slot. It can go to first slot, it can go to second slot, it can go anywhere. So I have a hash table which contain 100 slots. Collisions are resolved using chaining. In the form of chain, they will resolve collision. Assuming simple uniform hashing, what is the probability that the first 3 slots are unfilled after the first 3 insertion? Can you help me now? When I apply first time, where it can go? Out of 100 slots, if I apply first time hashing, where it can go? It can go anywhere. 100 by 100 probability. Anywhere it can go. 100 slots are there. If I apply has function, in the 100 slots he can go anywhere. 100 by 100. So first insertion, see what is the probability that, right, the first 3 slots are, see, sorry for this one, the first 3 slots are unfilled after first 3 insertion, right? So if I apply hashing, element can go anywhere. Probability is 100 by 100. But if you see the question, what he is saying is, right, what is the probability that the first 3 slots are unfilled after the first 3 insertion? So if you want to first 3 slots are unfilled after first 3 insertion, when I apply first time, actually it can go anywhere. But he is asking what is the probability that first 3 slots are unfilled after first 3 insertion. What is the meaning? Out of 100, right, it can go to only 97 places. Those 3 places it cannot go. 97 by 100. That is the first time. Can you say what is the second time? What is the second time? Remember, right? So second element, if I apply has function, it can go actually anywhere, but according to his condition, it cannot go to first 3 places. So other places it can go anywhere. 97 by 100. Next one, if I do third time insertion, other than those 3 places it can go anywhere. Again 97 by 100. So which will goes to 97 by 100, right, whole cube. Check here, 97 by 100 whole cube. Answer is going to be option A. Answer is going to be option A. Answer is going to be option. See, simple uniform hashing, no condition here. Simple uniform hashing here. What do you mean? It can go anywhere. Some people are asking, sir, already element is there, how it can go? So that is the meaning of simple uniform hashing. It can go anywhere other than first 3 places, because you don't want first 3 places. What is the probability that the first 3 slots are unfilled after the first 3 insertion? So first time, right, 97 by 100. Second time also 97 by 100. Third time also 97 by 100. Some people are asking, sir, let us assume that first time it went to the 5th slot. So where the second time it will go? It can go to 5th slot also. Some people are asking, sir, how in one slot 2 people? Collision resolution technique is chaining. In the form of chain you can store. In the form of chain you can store. There is no objection. So see this one, my suggestion, see, through experience I am saying, as a elder brother I am saying, listen everyone, attend the lectures, then practice. Attend the lectures, then practice. It will take less time. Attend the lectures. Suppose assume that you know every subject, then don't attend everything. Right? Suppose assume that algorithm you know everything. Quicksort you don't know. Just take my lectures, go to only quicksort. Study only quicksort. Suppose assume that total algorithm you know. Minimum cost spanning tree you don't know. Take my lectures, go to minimum cost spanning tree only. So my suggestion is, first of all, complete the syllabus. Next go to, right, solving the problems. First complete the syllabus. Next go to solving the problems. So answer for this problem is option A. Right. So my suggestion is, listen, everyone listen. My suggestion is going to be careful. April, May, June, July, August, September. So totally, I think first month, second month, third month, fourth month, 5th month, 6th month, right? See this one, you have 6 months. Careful, you have 6 months. In these 6 months, complete 13 subjects. In these 6 months, complete 13 subjects. So this is my sincere suggestion to everyone. From next month onwards, April, May, June, July, August, September, complete 13 subjects. Complete 13 subjects. 6 months only you have time. 6 months only. You have only 6 months time. You have only 6 months time. Complete 13 subjects in 6 months. Next one, see this one. October, November, December, January, right? In these 4 months, do practice. In these 4 months, do practice and solve PYQs and write and go for rank improvement course. Go for rank improvement. Last 4 months, right? Practice, solve PYQs, rank improvement course, go. Right? Fine. So that's what I'm saying. See, someone is saying, Rutik is saying that this is the problem. Rutik, everywhere problems are there. Take favor to you. Take the opportunities. Why you unnecessarily confused? Right? So if at all only one teacher, that teacher is not teaching well, that is good to you. Only one teacher not teaching well, is it good? Here multiple teachers are there. Use them. Use properly. Multiple teachers are there. Take it as a positive point. Why you take it as a negative? So if you take it as a positive, right, everything you can use positive way. Multiple teachers are there. What is the problem here? So select one teacher. Let's see. I think there is a, right, we have one Telegram group also. We done the poll also. In that poll, whichever is the good teacher, please follow. Suppose you are following one teacher, just follow 2 lectures. If you are not okay, follow another teacher. What is there in that? So because of multiple teacher, every teacher also teach properly. Because a lot of competition, all teachers will teach properly. Take positive things. Only one teacher not teaching well. You are okay? You are okay with this? Only one teacher not teaching well. You are okay with that? Here multiple teacher, all are good teacher. You take whatever you like. See the 1 or 2 lectures. If you like it, you can continue. Otherwise, you can go to another teacher. Take a positive way. Someone is asking, if we assume non-uniform, then what will be the probability? See, the question here is simple uniform hashing. What will be the definition? Simple uniform hashing definition is, it is a simple uniform. What do you mean? It can go anywhere. Suppose if the question is, right? So if I apply hash function, key cannot get collision. Then answer is going to be maybe. Then answer first time is 97 by 100, next time 96 by 100, next time 95 by 100. Then C will be the answer. If the question is, right, collision we don't want to see. Hashing is such a way that no collision will be there. Then what is the probability? So then option C will come. So remember, last 4 months practice. Last 4 months solve PYQs. Last 4 months, right, go for RIC. Right? Next one. Right? So first, right, April to September, complete syllabus. Complete syllabus. And one more thing is, see this one. One more great advantage with the Unacademy. Is, see this one. See everyone, out of those 13 subjects, see this one. Out of those 13 subjects, what you do is, right, 8 subjects, see this one, 8 subjects. 8 subjects, out of those 13 subjects, 8 subjects, right, 8 subjects go for recording, go for recording, 8 subjects go for recording. Out of 13 subjects, 8 subjects go for recording, and 5 subjects go for live. Out of 13 subjects, 8 subjects go for recording, 5 subjects go for live, 5 subjects go for live. And one more thing, 5 subjects go for live. My sincere suggestion to you is Algo and DS live. Go Algo and DS live, because they will be useful to you in your campus placements also. Right? Out of 13 subjects, 8 subjects go for recording, 5 subjects go for live. 5 subjects go for live. And one more thing is, in the live I mentioned 2 subjects, Algo DS go for live. Because they will be useful in the placements also, right? You can clarify all your doubts in the live. So remember this one, see this one, everywhere problems will come. Please take as an opportunity to grow. Everywhere problems will come, take those problems as opportunities. Take those problems as opportunities. If you keep on saying this is the problem, see, problem saying sir problem, you never grow. The person who will say always problem, you will never grow in your life. Take every problem as opportunity. Every problem you take it as opportunity. Then only you will grow. Otherwise you will never grow. Life is like this, everywhere problem. Of course I also having problem. If I keep on criticize, I never grow. If you keep on criticize, you never grow. Take it as a positive sense. Utilize properly. What best way I can use it? Right? Plan accordingly. Let's go to this problem also. Can you see this? Consider a dynamic hashing approach for 4-bit integer keys. Consider a dynamic hashing approach for 4-bit integer keys. What is the approach? What is the dynamic hashing approach for 4-bit integer keys? See, let's see once. Right? First one. There is a main hash table of size 4. Yes. There is a main hash table of size 4. Next one. So if I give any key, listen. So what is the case here? Consider a dynamic hashing approach for 4-bit integer. What is the meaning? In this particular table, whoever will come, every key contain 4 bits. Out of those 4 bits, see what he is saying. Right? There is a main hash table of size 4. That's okay. Next one. The two least significant bits of the key is used to index into the main hash table, because of 4 slots are there in this table. For every slot to give the number, 2 bits are required. Those 2 bits may be 0 0, those 2 bits may be 1 1, those 2 bits may be 0 1 or 1 0. So every key contain 4 bits, right? So LSB 2 bits, right? For looking for a table one of the slot. If at all LSB 2 bits are 0 0, I will go to 0, right? 0 0 slot. LSB 2 bits are 1 0, I will go to 1 0 slot. LSB 2 bits are 1 1, I will go to 1 1 slot. LSB 2 bits are, right, 0 1, I will go to 0 1. So like that. Next one. What is the third statement is saying? Initially the main hash table entries are empty. So what is the meaning? Initially these hash table entries are all are empty, no one came. Next one, D. Thereafter, when more keys are hashed into it, to resolve collision, the set of all keys corresponding to a main hash table entry is organized as a binary tree that grows on demand. So suppose assume that for 2 keys, LSB 2 bits are same. So both will go to same slot. If you want, you can check. Right? If you want, you can check. There are some keys where LSB 2 bits are 0 1. All came to here. Now I think here many people can see 1 2 3 people came. So those people who went to the right same slot, right, suppose that 3 people came to the same slot, they will store in the form of a binary tree. See that D. Thereafter, when more keys are hashed into it, to resolve collision, the set of all keys corresponding to a main hash table entry is organized as a binary tree that grows on demand. So binary tree format they will store. So go to the E. First the third least significant bit is used to divide the keys into left and right subtrees. First, the third least significant bit is used to divide the key into left and right subtrees. Next one, to resolve more collisions, each node of the binary tree is further subdivided into left and right subtrees based on the fourth significant digit. So like that they will keep on going. So can you help me now? What is the first third least significant bit is used to divide the keys into left and right? See this one. Suppose third bit is 0, go this side. Third bit is 1, go this side. First 2 bits, you will come here, right? Third bit is 0, go this side. Third bit is 1, go this side. Right, next one. After coming to here, third bit is 1, I will come. Suppose there are 2 people, third bit is 1. Now fourth bit again, 0, go this side. 1, go here. Like that they are doing. Right? Now what is the fifth one is saying? To resolve more collisions, like that they will follow further. A split is done only if it is needed. That is only when there is a collision. Collision is there, then only split. Otherwise there is no split. Consider the following state of the hash table. Something is given and some keys also given. You have to match them. Right? This is there in the previous paper. Right? This is there in the previous. Means what I want to say is, sometimes they may not ask the existing hashing. They may create their own problem. It's not existing hashing. They created their own hashing story with some conditions. Right? So there are, I think we want to say that all keys who are participating here, right, every key contain 4-bit integers. 4-bit integer keys. Next one, hash table size also 4. Right? LSB 2 bits used for finding the one of the slot in the table. Third one is used for resolving the collision. Fourth bit is used for resolving collision. So he can create his own problem. See this one, normally see nowhere this hashing is there. He created his own. Sometimes what he will do is, right, so they may not give directly, indirectly they will give it the indirect one. It is the indirect one. So what I want to say is, please be careful. Right? This problem very simple if you read properly. Some keys are given, right? Let us assume that some keys are given, right? So remember first 2 bits 0 1, right? 0 1, LSB 2 bits 0 1. If you observe in the option, right, some options are given, right? For every number whatever is given, binary format you write. Listen everyone, some numbers are given. Every number write in the binary format. So when I write in the binary format, right? So if when I write the binary format, for this person also 0 1, LSB 2 bits, this also 0 1, this also 0 1. 3 people went to the 0 1. See, 3 people. So verify which option contain, right? 3 people LSB as 0 1, right? Verify. And one more, which option contain, right? 2 people LSB 2 bits as 1 0, because here 2 people required. Next one, which option contain LSB 2 bits as only 1 1 time, then this one, right? And one more, which option contain no one will go to 0 0. So easily to find out, no need to do any work also. Find the option, every number write in the binary format first. Suppose in one of the option binary format you written LSB 2 bits are 1 0, 3 people, mostly, right? Mostly that option right. Then verify LSB 2 bits 1 0, 2 people also are not. Yes. Next one, verify LSB 2 bits are 1 1 person. Verify LSB 2 bits are 0 0, no one. Verify. Like that you can easily check. Suppose assume that 2 options are matching, then go here. Third bit is 0 or 1. Third bit is 0. Out of those 3 people, Third bit is 0, how many? Find out. Third bit 0, only one person required. If two people, then that cannot be the answer. Third bit is 0, then only one person. Third bit is 1, then two people required. So like that you can check, right? So he can create his own problems. The only purpose of this problem is, are you using common sense or not? In GATE examination, if you use common sense, you will get minimum 30 marks. In GATE examination, if you use common sense, minimum you will get 30 marks. Minimum you will get 30 marks if you use common sense. If you don't use common sense, right, you may end up with a negative marking. Some student got -5. What is the meaning? Right? He didn't use common sense at all. Some students used to get the -10. Right? That means they didn't use common sense at all. So if you use only common sense, these kind of problem easily you can solve, which will leads to minimum 30 marks. Minimum 30 marks. And one more, see this one, use common sense. And one more thing, right? So one more thing, complete the total syllabus. Common sense you use, complete the total syllabus, and do practice also. If you can do all of them, you will easily get the 70 marks or 60 marks, like that. Approximately 70 marks you will get. Use common sense, complete total syllabus, then do practice. If you can do this, 70 marks you will get. I hope this class is useful to you. Right? So further story we will see in the next class. Thank you so much if you really like this class. Thank you so much.